vivo X100 series global launch date has been revealed by the company weeks after the company's latest flagship phones, the vivo X100 and vivo X100 Pro, made their debut in China, equipped with MediaTek's flagship Dimensity 9300 chip. These smartphones are equipped with a triple rear camera setup with different primary and telephoto cameras. The cameras are co-engineered with Cheese just like the preceding models in the X series. The vivo X100 and X100 Pro offer support for 120 watt and 100 watt fast charging. The vivo X100 series launch event has been updated to state that handset will be launched on December 14. The Chinese smartphone maker is also expected to launch the handset in India, but the launch date is yet to be announced. The vivo X100 and vivo X100 Pro run on Android 14 based Origin OS 4 and is sold in China. The vivo X100 and X100 Pro run on Android 14 based Origin OS 4 and is sold in black, star trail blue, sunset orange and white moonlight. They sport 6.78-inch AMOLED 8T LTPO curved displays with a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz and a peak brightness of up to 3000 nits. Both phones are powered by a 4nm Dimensity 9300 chipset paired with up to 16 GB of RAM. While they both have triple rear camera setups, the standard vivo X100 features a 50 megapixel primary Sony IMX920 VCS Bionic main camera and a 64 megapixel Cheese periscope telephoto camera. Meanwhile, the Pro model boasts a 50 megapixel Sony IMX989 1-inch type sensor and a 50 megapixel Cheese APO periscope telephoto camera. Both models have a third 50 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. Both phones are equipped with up to 1 TB of UFS 4.0 inbuilt storage and features an in-display fingerprint scanner for biometric authentication. The vivo X100 and X100 Pro pack 5000 mAh with 120 watt charging and 5400 mAh 100 watt charging batteries respectively. They both have an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance according to the company. That's for today. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.